Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 24. This is Section 2.8, Problem 24. It says subtract 9 over 10 minus 2 over 3. So, I like to write it vertically. 9 over 10, 2 over 3, minus. So what I need is a common denominator. So I have 3, I have 10, those aren't the same denominators. So to find the common denominator, start with a larger denominator, in this case 10. See if the other denominator divides into it evenly. Will 3 divide into 10 evenly? It will not. So next take the larger denominator, double it. If I double the 10, I get 20. Will 3 divide into 20 evenly? It will not. So next take the larger denominator, triple it. If I take 10, triple it, I get 30. Will 3 divide into 30 evenly? It will. So 30 is my lowest common denominator. So I'll set up a fraction next to each of the original fractions with a denominator of 30. And now I'll figure out what the numerator needs to be in order to make the fractions equivalent. So for the 9 over 10, look at the denominators, 10 and 30. 10 times some value became 30. It had to be times 3. So now, take that value of 3 and multiply the numerator times the same amount. 9 times 3 will be 27. So 27 over 30 is equivalent to 9 over 10, but it has that common denominator of 30 that I want. Do the same process with the lower fraction. Look at the denominators, 3 and 30. 3 times some value became 30. Well, it's 3 times 10. So take that value of 10 and multiply the numerator times the same value. The numerator of 2 times the value of 10 gives me a 20. So 20 over 30 is equivalent to 2/3, but again, it has that common denominator of 30 that I want to use. Now that I have common denominators, I can go ahead and subtract or combine the numerator. So my denominator in my answer will be 30, the common denominator for my work, and then subtract 27 minus 20. 27 minus 20 is 7, so I get an answer of 7 over 30. Can I reduce it? No, I can't. There's nothing that's going to divide into both 7 and 30 evenly, so I'm done. 7 over 30 is the answer.